Welcome.
We are your
Jumia
Jumia experts.
Operating in 8 countries, we believe technology can transform life in Africa for the better.
From the Mediterranean to the heart of the continent, Jumia is present in 8 booming markets, from Nigeria and Egypt, Ivory Coast, and Kenya, plus Morocco, Ghana, Senegal, and Uganda.
We are bringing digital transformation to every corner of Africa.
We connect your products with millions of shoppers, helping you scale and grow your revenue.
Step 1. Getting started is simple. Register your business in under 5 minutes. Step 2. A Jumia expert will call you to guide you through completing your profile and going live.
Step 3. List your products and start receiving orders. Choose to store them in our warehouse with Jumia Express or drop them off at your nearest vendor station.
Step 4. Join our massive Jumia campaigns to skyrocket your visibility and reach millions of new customers.
The opportunity is here.
Join our community, grow your business today.
And sell on Jumia.